So this is vlog number 2. So I'm just getting ready right now because we are going to a dairy farm today for a field trip. So I'm going to brush my teeth, get dressed, and come back to you in 1 second. Okay, so I got dressed, and before I show you what I'm wearing, I'm just gonna tell you that, like, if you didn't know that I love The Walking Dead 4, you'll know now. So it says, "This is no longer a democracy. It's a dictatorship." And then it's got Rick with a gun. Rick, hat, sheriff. So yeah. And then I'm just wearing these zebra shorts. We're gonna go to the dairy farm soon. First I'm finding my mom's hat. So let's go find the hat. Oh, so I'm actually working on a new video for you guys. Like, that's not a vlog. So it's expectations versus reality, which I was gonna have it up as my next video, but this will be my next video. But I was gonna have it up very soon, but my computer, when I was importing it and I started editing it, deleted some of my clips, so I have to refilm some clips. So we're gonna go take my brother to work, and we'll show you when we're there.
We're going to McDonald's.
We're going to see the freezer. That's interesting.
It tastes gross. No, I don't like milk.
Yep, we're filming Sydney. She's the star of my vlog.
What? No!
Say hi, Zoe.
Hi.
Pretty cool. Sydney!
You have so many cameras in your hand.
One's a picture camera and this is a video camera.
Down this whole wall are pictures of what our logos used to look like. And on the other side is the picture you guys will recognize. It's Kelsey jumping over the stars. So that's what we put on all the sides of our milk cartons and our ice cream cartons.
Young people, what did you think of the tour? Did you see something you thought was interesting? I know I did. I always like to see ice cream being made. That's a lot of milk and a lot of cookies needed to go with them. Cows come from the Netherlands and Europe. They're the most popular dairy cow because Holsteins produce the most milk but yield the lowest amount of butter fat. And that means lots of calcium and healthier milk to drink.
Free ice cream! Tell me about the field trip.
Okay, I thought the field trip was okay. Highly recommended for preschoolers. There was free ice cream and it's kind of cool. Like, so I feel like if you've never seen it before, then it's even cool for older kids just to like see the whole factory aspect. Field trip for like families of multiple ages like us, because like you guys, the older kids, like the ice cream, and the littles liked all of it.
We're at the dollar store. Come on. That's just and squirt bottle? Yeah, she does. And we scared the like living crap out of my little brother by showing him a spider. So yeah, I'm just walking down an aisle looking at stuff. Yep. I'll see you at Target. So we're at Target. We're gonna find some stuff.
We're at Target. We're back to going in there.
So yeah, right there. Target. And my sister camera facing though I'm not filming her at all. So yeah. So we got Starbucks, my name, and we got a bunch of apple juice. Yummy. Go and look at stuff and maybe I'll show you. But yeah. Light. Okay, we need Sarah's like James P. Sullivan.
I need to. Okay, get that one.
Okay, what else?
Anna.
I don't want that. Can I kick it off again?
I'll make some without it.
Okay, what? That chicken? Yeah, okay.
Me. Pizza crust. And they're done. So today was a busy day and I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed and stay tuned for the third vlog. Oh wait, I have a question. So I was thinking I'm going to upload like topic videos on Sundays and then vlogs on like Wednesdays and Fridays. Maybe just Wednesdays, but just comment down below if you want vlogs twice a week or once a week. Because if you do it once a week, then you'll have 2 videos a week, and if you want vlogs twice a week, then you'll have 3 videos a week. So just tell me down below. So bye guys, hope you enjoyed.